Alright, so because we are running out of time, we can discuss the solution. So first of all, when you develop a code, no matter what, on paper or something, you should have the data first of all available to you. So the kids_age is given already. If you're running this program on a computer, you must have it defined first. And then we should have table_1, table_2, table_3 as a separate list, because what we need to do here is we need to first identify. First of all, what you need to do is to read these values iteratively, which means that you have to use for loop. Okay, so in the for loop, and in for loop you can see in every iteration the value that we use, the variable that we use will be containing these values one by one. So what we do is, for loop, with the help of for loop, we assign a value into a particular variable, and then we compare that variable with the condition that we are looking for. So if the student age is less than 6, which means, as I'm saying, if, so it means that you have to use the branch structure, if else, if elif. Okay, so if the child's age is less than 6, put them on table 1. Okay, so table 1 means that table 1 cannot be a single variable, because on table 1 we can have more than one child sitting, right? So this is the reason why we have to have table 1 as a list, as a container. Okay, so that we can make multiple child sit on table 1 who are younger than 6 years old. Okay, same is the case with between 6 and 8 on table 2. 8 is considered inclusive, and above 8 on table 3. So what you do is, for age in kids age, so age is a variable name here. Okay, and then what you do is, if age is less than 6, what you do is table_1, use the append method and append the child of that particular age below 6 on table 1. Similarly, if age is between 6 and 8. So there is one way of writing this. Another way of writing is, you can simply write age is greater or equal to 6 and age is less than equal to 8. Okay, so this is another way of writing this. Otherwise, if none of these two conditions satisfy, the third one would always be like the student is above 8 years old. In that case, you have to make them sit on table number 3. Okay, any question here? So the condition in line number 10 can also be written as, again, the condition on line number 10, I'm going to write it alternatively as elif age is greater or equal to 6. This is one condition, and this is the logical operator and age is less than equal 8. So this is the condition that we can write alternatively. So it checks if a student is greater than 6 years old, if this condition satisfies true, and if it is less than 8 years old, less than or equal to 8 years old, and this condition satisfies true. When both the conditions satisfy, only then this block of code will execute and will put them on table_2 dot append and the student age student. Okay, all right, so let's keep it until here today. We will proceed ahead in the next lecture from the next topic.